Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing shift in the world of finance, how finance is being democratized right now. What does that even mean? And how is it happening? Stay tuned as we uncover the shocking truth. For centuries, the world of finance has been controlled by a few banks, brokers, big institutions, and governments. They held the keys to wealth, investment, and financial opportunities. But that's all changing, and here's why. Thanks to technology, finance is being reshaped and democratized. No longer do you need to be a millionaire or have insider connections to build wealth or invest in global markets. Now, anyone with an internet connection can access the same tools and opportunities as the rich and powerful. So, how is this happening? First, it's about access. The rise of fintech and online platforms has allowed anyone to participate in investing. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Wealthfront are lowering the barriers to entry for investing, making it as easy as a few taps on your phone. Traditional financial systems come with high fees, long processes, and limited access. But digital platforms, they're cutting out the middleman, reducing fees, and giving you more control over your money. With apps like these, you no longer need to pay hefty commissions to brokers or wait for approval from banks to start investing. And then there's crypto. Cryptocurrency and decentralized finance DeFi are revolutionizing the way we think about money. DeFi allows people to borrow, lend, and trade directly, without needing traditional financial institutions as intermediaries. It's completely peer-to-peer, meaning anyone can participate, regardless of their financial background. With DeFi, your money is in your hands. You can earn interest, take out loans, and even invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets without ever going through a bank. And the best part? The entire system is transparent, automated, and operates 24/7, unlike traditional markets. This isn't just about crypto, it's about the open access to all kinds of financial services. The rise of peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding platforms, and robo-advisors has leveled the playing field. Now, anyone with a small amount of capital can diversify their portfolio or fund a project, opening doors to wealth building that were once locked for most. Another factor: crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and GoFundMe have empowered individuals to fund projects, raise capital, and start businesses without relying on big investors or banks. This is a huge step forward in breaking down financial barriers and giving more people the chance to get involved in the entrepreneurial world. Think about it, you no longer need millions to invest in startups. Platforms like Seed, Invest, and Fundrise allow anyone to invest in real estate or startups with as little as $100. This is a major shift, and it's giving everyday people the opportunity to grow their wealth and participate in ventures that were once reserved for the wealthy elite. And this shift is happening globally. In developing countries, mobile money systems like M-Pesa are giving millions of people access to banking, loans, and savings without ever stepping foot in a bank. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, and it's transforming economies worldwide. To put it simply, democratized finance is exploding. The total value locked in DeFi has skyrocketed, reaching billions, and that's just the beginning. With more people becoming aware of these financial tools and platforms, we're seeing a shift in how wealth is distributed and managed. The shocking truth: the financial system is no longer controlled by a select few. It's being democratized in real time, and that means more opportunities for you. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, the tools are now in your hands. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about how the world of finance is changing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on the future of money.